Closer.
Well, teachers would be scared, maybe.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
All right. So here's what we're going to do today.
Okay.
Today I want to introduce you to a new tool that I think can help us and help you think about the number 10.
Okay.
Okay? So, what do you notice?
There's five and there's five. I don't know how to say it, like 5 groups maybe.
Okay.
No, not groups, but like 5 sides.
There's 5 sides. Show me 5 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. All right. What do you notice now?
There's blue dots on each 5 sides or squares.
Okay, so how many dots total?
10.
Okay, so that's 10 dots total.
Mhm.
Okay. So if that's 10 dots, can I show you a card? I'll let you keep that for yourself. Now, here's what we're not going to do today.
What?
We are not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to use this to help me think about the number I'm seeing.
Okay.
Okay? Are you ready?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to show you a number real quick.
Okay, I was born ready.
I know you were more ready, and then I want you to tell me how many you saw and how you saw it. Ready?
Okay.
How many?
7.
How do you know?
Because the plus 4, I can't remember.
You counted them in your brain?
Yeah.
Okay, so I wonder how, if it was full, how many would there be?
If they were full.
If it was full, if all of the dots were filled in, how many would there be here?
10.
Okay, we're going to use that as our point of reference.
Okay.
Okay, so what about,
I don't know how to explain things so well so much.
don't worry about it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you another number.
Okay.
If it's full, how many is it?
10.
Okay, here we go. Ready? This one's not going to be full.
10. I think it's 8.
Why 8?
Because 4 plus 4 is 8.
So when you looked at this, show me how you saw it in your brain.
Like, I just like 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay. So when I flashed that to you real quick, you did that in your head, 2, 4, 6, 8?
Yep.
Okay. All right. How could I use, if I know this is 10, how does that help me think about this?
Think you add them.
Say more.
Like you add them, and then like what's 10 plus 8 equals 18.
That's true. All right, let me take this full 10 away.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to spread out some other cards. Okay? And you told me this was how many?
8.
Okay. I want you,
Well, that's all the cards.
okay, so how many was this?
8.
All right. If I wanted to fill this up so that all of the boxes had dots in them, which card would I pick to help me fill it up?
Which cards? If if you want 8, you do 4. Actually, I got 5 and 3.
So here's the question you just answered. You just answered which 2 cards would make this same pattern if I put them together.
Oh.
But listen to what I asked.
Oh.
I want to know which card could I put with this one to make it look like this.
No, you go.
Why?
Because if you add 8 plus 2 equals 10.
Okay? And we know that if it's full, it's how many?
10.
Okay? And if I wanted to fill this up, these 2 could fill that up. Okay?
Okay.
Can you find me another pair of cards that would fill up to 10?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
think I know.
All right.
Got snack?
Nope, unless you want to eat this computer.
Wait, well, if it's computer.
Okay,
I'll
show me.
do it.
What'd you come up with?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I was supposed to not count.
That's supposed to count. But how many are here?
There's 8. There's, oh my gosh, Phil Barrett's.
Just keep talking. You're okay.
8. No. Calm down, Sarah. Take a deep
Take a
breath.
breath. What did you tell me before? How many are on this side right here?
5, 2 equals 7.
Okay.
So I put 3, and that equals 8. I mean 10.
Okay. So how could I know just by looking at these without knowing, maybe I don't have names for these numbers. How would I know that this one fills this one up?
Well, you'll see it's 3. You'll see it's 3. So you'll see it's 3. You see 3 dots and 3 blanks. Then you
Okay.
put them there.
Okay. Can you find me another pair that makes 10? That makes it filled up like this?
Oh boy, it's gonna be hard. Okay, so I know. Okay, no. Wait. Oh, this is. I used the 4. I forgot. Wait, I didn't use the 4. It's still here.
Okay. All right. So that makes, that would make what, so
10.
these two numbers, so this number represents what?
6.
How do you know without counting them individually?
I didn't count because this I see 6 blanks
Okay.
inside. Then and I put 6 dots.
You see 6 blanks when you look at this?
Yeah, when I put my brain.
Okay.
Then put 6 dots.
Okay, so 6 dots. And how do you see those 6 dots?
I don't know, man. It's hard. So
How many are here?
6.
How many are just here in this part right here?
Oh, 5.
Plus one more.
Uh-huh.
So what's neat about this is you told me right away, well, I see there are 5 here, and then there are 5 here, 5 boxes. So knowing that there are 5, if you know there's 5 and you see one more dot, well, then I know that makes
6.
6. And if you see that there are 6 and there are 4 empty dots, then you know that 6 and 4 more is going to make 10. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so you hand me that card there.
Wait, I'm gonna do the last one.
Oh, I'm sorry. We need to do the last one. I don't even know what I picked up. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, this one I already did. This one and that one I didn't even do.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
What's the matter?
I can't even do this. I could just only do this one.
You can only do this one.
Yeah.
Okay. And what number is this?
9.
9. And what number is this?
1.
And so 9 and 1 would fill that up and make 10. Okay. Why do you think this one doesn't have a partner? Because these are all the cards I had. We looked at all of them. Why doesn't this one have a partner?
Because I put all the cards that equals 10 and he just loved me.
So if I wanted to fill this up, how many more would I need?
You need 5 more.
So I need 5 more. Okay.
And also you can get 5 more if you have 5.
And if I had another 5?
Yep.
Got it. Okay. So, let's see. Okay. Here's what I want to do.
It's fun today.
Oh, good. Okay, we'll make sure the camera can see it. 95.
Your head is not cut off.
Oh, if my head's cut off, it's okay.
Should I check?
Nah, we're good. You're good. Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Let me turn this one so they're all sort of facing the same way. No counting. Here's what I want you to do.
Okay.
I want you to tell me how many there are altogether, but you are not allowed to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, come on. First, I need to think.
Talk out loud. What are you doing in your brain right now?
I just said 3. So I was looking at all the dogs, and they said 7 and 6
Okay.
equals 13. 13 and 4 equals 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20!
Okay. Now here's what I wonder. So what you said is you started here and you said 7 plus 6 more, and I know that's 13.
Mm-hmm.
How did you know that was 13, by the way?
Yeah. Wait, how did I know it was 15?
Yeah. How did you said it just that fast. You said, well, 7 and 6, that's 13. How do you know?
Well, I didn't even count my brain. I just look at them. I just look at them like pretend like just 5 again,
Mm-hmm.
and then they put 7 dots, and the same thing after 6. Like how I do it is like I just know. Just look at it and just 13. Compare my brain.
Okay. So you just know 7 and 6 is 13. It's just a fact that you know.
Or this is what I did. I could just go like what's 7 plus 5 equals 12,
Okay.
and 7 plus 6 equals 13.
7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 more
It's 13.
would be 13. Okay. That's a good way to think about it. Okay. I wonder, you told me if all the dots were filled in, where is it? If all the dots were filled in, how many do we know it is?
10.
Okay. I wonder, can you solve it another way? This time I don't want you to say 7 and 6 is 13 plus, I don't want you to do it that way. Okay?
Oh man, this is gonna be hard.
Well, I wonder how, knowing that if these were all full, they'd make 10. I wonder if there's another way I could solve them using that fact. So can I look at the cards?
This is what I'll do.
Okay.
So 13 is over here, and this is 12.
Okay.
Right?
This is 12.
You add them together.
This is 13, and this is 12.
Yep.
Show me how that's 12.
Well, this is not 12. I'm doing times.
Oh, okay.
7. 7. So this is 7. Now you add them 13 plus 7. That's 13 plus 7. I don't know.
Okay. You know, I wonder, remember how right before we did this, I asked you to pick up pairs of cards that made 10?
Yeah.
I wonder, do you have any pairs of cards here that would make 10?
Easy little squeezing. Like this one. So there's 4, and then there's 4 blanks and 4 dots put together. That makes 10. There's 3 blanks and 3 dots, and I put them together.
And that makes 10.
Yep.
And together you have how many total then?
20.
So if you know 10 and 10, so I wonder if when I'm thinking about numbers, if 10 is a helpful number for me. Do you think?
No.
Why is 10 not helpful?
Well, it's helpful number because it's more easier to add like 10 plus 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And 10, like, whatever, like, that's tens.
Okay, so I wonder if we can use that idea of 10 to help solve some other problems. Should we try?
Yeah?
Okay.
Maybe 8. I'm too scared.
Okay. All right, I want you to think about making 10.
Okay.
All right? I'm going to show you 2 cards. Let's see, let me find it. Oh, perfect. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm. We're ready.
How many are there? Don't add them in your head and don't count them.
So there's 5 and 6.
Okay.
That equals 11.
How do you know?
Because 5 plus 6 equals 11.
Okay.
If I didn't do that in my brain.
Okay. How could I use the cards to help me see 11?
You put them. You put this. Wait. Oh no.
Oh no, what?
Oh, what are you trying? Oh, yeah, I got confused. I wanted you trying to make me like do like 10, like make 10. I would say like look at like you see like look at each one. Cover the There's like you cover 1, and what's 5 plus 5? 10.
Okay.
Then there's one more, 11.
Oh, so you looked at it like, I'm gonna lay this right over top,
Mm-hmm.
and I know that's 10, and then when I slide it, I have one more.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, let's try another one.
That was good.
Yeah, I want to hear how you're thinking about it. Yeah. Okay, so let's try. Let's try this
When was
one.
the last day of the semester?
It is. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder how what you just did will help you think about this.
This is how I'll do again. Cover this one, cover this one, and this is 9.
Okay.
And what's the, and then this this one 9, and then how many? This is gonna good. So this is 9. So this is 9, and this is 15. So 9 plus 4 equals 15.
9 plus 4 equals 15. Okay, so prove it to me using the cards.
Oh man, okay. So I do this. 9 plus 4, then it equals 14, right? I mean 9 plus 4 equals 14.
9 plus 4 equals 14.
Wait, what I'm saying is,
Okay, can we look at this for a second?
yeah, sure.
All right, remember, 10 you told me was a really helpful number.
Yeah.
If I can make 10, I can then figure out, because you said, well, then I know that 10 plus 2 is 12 and 10 plus 3. So, can I lay this over top to make 10?
No. Yeah, no, yeah, you can lay that.
So I've got 10 right here.
Yeah, but if you have some left.
How many do I have left?
4.
If I have 10 and I have 4, I have how many total?
4. I'm gonna count it 10. 14.
14. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Should we try another?
Yep.